Meta Platforms is a leading technology and social media company that owns and operates multiple high-profile social networking and communication services, including Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Threads. Its mission is to build community and bring the world closer together while expanding into immersive technologies under its Reality Labs division as part of its long-term strategy. The company generates huge scale and engagement across billions of users globally, leveraging these networks to sell advertising. It also invests in hardware, virtual reality, and augmented reality to support its vision for the metaverse. Meta's core services are its social platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and related tools like Threads. These platforms offer features like feeds, stories, messaging, video sharing, reels, shopping integrations, etc. On the hardware immersive tech side, the Reality Labs segment produces VR/AR hardware with its Meta Quest headsets lineup, associated software, and content. Meta also experiments with AI-driven experiences like Meta AI, which are increasingly integrated into its apps and ad tools. Meta's revenue model is overwhelmingly built on digital advertising. Advertisers pay Meta to display ads inside its social platforms, targeting users based on various data signals like demographics, interests, and behaviors. Performance is often measured via impressions, clicks, or actions. Nearly all of Meta's revenue comes from its family of apps advertising business. The Reality Labs segment contributes much less in revenue and has incurred sizable operating losses because of high research and development and hardware costs, making it a smaller revenue contributor but a major strategic investment for Meta's long-term roadmap. Meta's user base is nearly global. Billions of users across developed and developing markets who use its apps for social connection, content consumption, sharing, communication, and in increasing cases, shopping. On the advertiser side, its customers include small businesses, medium and large enterprises, brands, e-commerce companies, publishers, direct-to-consumer brands, essentially any organization that wants to reach audiences via digital ads. It also targets consumers for its AR and VR hardware and immersive content, although that market is still much smaller. Emerging AI tools and integrations may create more premium users and new monetization paths via subscription or enhanced features. Meta competes primarily against other big tech companies in social media, digital advertising, content, and immersive technology. Key competitors include Alphabet, especially with YouTube, Google Search and Ads, and its display network. TikTok with its fast growth in short video user attention, content consumption, and competition for ad dollars. Snap and Pinterest in social, content discovery, and ad revenue. Apple via its privacy changes which affect Meta's ad targeting, and through its own services and device ecosystem. Amazon, especially as Amazon expands into ad tech and as marketers increasingly spend ad budgets through or near commerce platforms. In hardware and metaverse VR space, Meta's Reality Labs faces competition from Oculus alternatives, VR/AR startups, and other companies investing in immersive experiences. Regulatory and privacy pressures also increase competition around compliance and user trust. Meta is one of the largest players in global digital advertising, anchored by its social apps where nearly all its current profits come from targeted ad sales. Its massive user base, growing AI-driven ad tools and scale provide strong leverage. However, its Reality Labs and metaverse investments represent a high-risk, long-horizon bet. They add to expenses and are not near core profitability yet. Meta faces growing regulatory, privacy, and competitive pressures, especially from other platforms that attract user attention or from changes in how user data can be used for advertising. Going forward, how well it can balance its ad business, privacy constraints, and investments in AI VR will be key to its continued dominance.